Alrighty, always a good day when you get something in the mail. What can it be now? Sometimes I don't even remember what I've ordered. Microphone. Fantastic. Really looking forward to this. This is for my Sony 6400. What I have been trialing is this tiny little microphone with a little 90-degree swivel. It's fine for cameras with a 3.5mm plug on top, but who has those? No one. So what do you get in the box? Heard very good things about this little monkey. Whoa-ho-ho! So you get the microphone. Looks nice. It was either this or $65 for a Rode. You get a little windsock. Looks pretty good. Fits real nice. And a fluffy windsock. That's really, really nice. And it looks like a tight little snoot in there. Get the little vibration mount, and looks like not one but two adapters. So you get a stringy cord, and you get a standard 3.5mm to 3.5mm stereo, and also, this is interesting, a 3.5mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, an adapter cord. Alright, so that's because this one is 4 pins to stereo, which means this is for mobile phones and this one is for cameras. And also you get a little bag and a manual, which looks pretty good. So I'm going to try this out. This looks like it's 100% in English, which it is. Even gives a frequency response. Whether that's legit or not, I don't know. But very, very excited about this. I paid $24 for this, Australian, which is excellent value compared to the Rode, which was about $65, was the cheapest I could find that online. So this is using the onboard mic. I've just got the 16 to 50 kit lens on at the moment, and the onboard mics on the Sony Alpha 6400. So as I said, reasonably breezy, and I expect this will be pretty terrible. First observation is that the microphone blocks about, give or take, 50 to 60% of the screen, but I think you're just going to have to live with that. This is just raw feed straight out of the camera with the microphone plugged in, but no windsocks on at all. Rinse and repeat. This is the same test, just a vocal test with the foam windsock on. Just looking for a bit of breeze here, to be honest. Come on Huey, give me some breeze. There we go, nice little bit of breeze. Good, that's the kind of stuff that I'm looking for. Okay, so total guesswork now. I've got the furry muff on, don't know what else to call it, the second windsock, and again 16mm stabilised, just doing this as a test just to keep talking. Reasonable breeze still. It's a nice bit of breeze, that's great. But the microphone, the cover, I tell you what, it's never coming off. It's actually quite difficult to get on, and it's a very, very tight and firm fit, which is, I guess, is good. I assume it'll loosen over time, and I cannot see the screen at all. So Sony, this is where a flip out screen to the side would have been a bonus. So this is the very last test, and the last test is with the tiny little 3.5mm side plugged in mic. It does have the facility, obviously you can use an extension lead, which I probably should test, but really for this sort of vocal test, this is fine. Righto, so trying to be a little bit scientific about this. I've got a wind speed of about 2 meters a second, so what's that? So it's gusting up to 3 odd meters a second, so times that by 3 you get kilometers an hour, so light breeze. Interesting to see. I've got the wind muff on, so be interested to see how this performs. I'm not going to take it off because I know that it'll just be horrible. Why not? Alright, so I've taken the windsock off. It's going to be pretty revolting, so still gusting 3.7 up to 4 meters a second. Alright, so that's gusting up now up to about 6 meters a second. Pretty blowy. I don't really think I would ever be taking video in winds higher than this. The only complaint, if I've got one of this Moukey microphone, is that the wind muff is really hard to get on. It's really, like, properly hard. You can't do it quickly. You've really got to do it with 2 hands, 2 fingers. Otherwise, really happy with this little device.